Here we are in Red Wing, Minnesota, replacing some windows both in the upstairs and the basement now. We got 2 left to do here in the basement. Both of them are egress windows. Now, the hard part about installing windows in the basement is you're installing into brick, so you can't adjust the opening. One of the first things we have to do is we get our measuring technician out here. We measure this exact window to fit to size. So when we order a window, we're ordering a custom fit to this opening, so we don't have to worry about trimming any trim or doing the brick. It's a brick mold install. Now, why this customer chose this window? Could they repair it? Possibly. And if you look at things online, people are searching how to repair windows all the time. You can see the crank out here no longer works. It's a casement window, typical builder grade window. You have what isn't a stainless steel spacer, so air and water have gotten between the glass over time. So you could replace this sash, replace the guts of the window, and keep everything else here. The trim on the inside is not bad. It's not completely rotten. A little bit of fading from the sun, but all you're saving is a couple of $100 that way. So you have to make that decision. Do I save $200 trying to repair this window, or do I replace everything and I'm set for the next 20 to 40 years? And the customer here chose to replace with the Marvin Infinity window with the Everwood inside. So it looks like real wood, it stains like real wood, but it won't have the discoloration or the mold like the wood windows of yesteryear do. After we remove the window, we're gonna remove all of the inside trim, the casing, and then we're gonna prep the opening with our butyl tape, and then install the window and install all brand new trim and casing to match. So really, everything was stained at our stain shop to match the new windows that we're installing. So it should almost look like a brand new install. It will be a brand new install when it's all said and done. All new trim, all new casing, all new window, and we're gonna take every step of the way to do air infiltration and water infiltration mitigation. Meaning, this isn't an insert window. 90% of the windows installed in the Twin Cities are insert windows where they're gonna try to reuse your casing and reuse your extension jambs and install a window there. Does nothing to address water and infiltration issues, which are the #1 reasons why windows rot. If you never want to feel a draft coming through your window again, whether you're choosing Lindus Construction or another company, one thing you need to ask is full frame replacement, not insert.